THEJERSEYGIRL for life thanks you for stopping in, and hope you'll join our family if you like it here.
And come out only at your own risk. First stop is UPS. It's shipping time. Josh the boss, say hello to the people. He's mad because he wants to go with daddy and not chill with mommy. But mommy's cool. Mommy's a cool mommy, right? Oh, look at that face. Say hi, Mrs. Simone.
Hi, Mrs. Simone.
Oh, she's not going to be happy to get that. You weren't smiling and waving at her.
Why? I'm Mrs. Simone.
You are terrible. Oh, my God.
Dad never lets me go with him outside because I would be safe with him. Nobody will take me.
Trust me, they'll bring you back.
Seriously, I'm not even somebody like a band will take me. It won't bring me back.
Then what am I gonna do without you?
Then we have to, and you have to just call the police.
Okay.
Please don't arrest bandits, take people's stuff and people.
Okay.
Also kids.
Let's give it up for your girl's eyebrows. What? Eye game on point.
Retail therapy session.
Time for food. Eat time. Back home, here is the food. I'll let you see once I unpack it. So I had to grab a grape throwback soda. Look how good this looks, guys. This is my powder honey garlic pepper wings with shrimp fried rice. This is fried dumpling, egg rolls. This is shrimp lo mein. Oh, that's really good. And that's Joshua's leftover drink. These are fried noodles. I love these with the duck sauce. We're back. The family is down here reheating food. Everybody got hungry. Josh is ready for bed. How cute. That's husband's fried dumplings. I gotta try that. Josh the boss is ready for school. They're wearing their favorite Christmas sweater because they had to leave early. His is underneath. And he's taking Jamaica Chase with him.
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go. All right, guys, we are back from picking up Josh the boss. You guys will be getting the what's in my bag on that. I forgot what time I scheduled it to drop. I'm about to make some lobster bisque soup. It comes with two. I am going to cook both, and I'm going to cut up real potatoes. I've taken out my bacon so I can make a couple strips per week. I think this is the applewood. I'm not sure. It came in a twin pack, but yeah, so that's what's going on. My creamer is currently out, so we have to grab some today, and so I'm not gonna have coffee right now. Yeah, but all right, guys, I'll be back shortly. I decided to sit in the upstairs foyer. I'm going to get these clothes folded and put up, and then I'll be back. So hubby made a Costco run because we had to re-up after Christmas. Of course, we always get a whole pie. We throw it in the oven. And here's some items we bought. in the kitchen. Yes, I cheated on y'all. I'm already down here. We have some large shrimp, and we are about to make it with the well, let me just I'll show you the pasta. But over here I have some lobster bisque soup going with shrimp cut up in it, and it comes with lobster. And I also put fresh potatoes. So let me grab the pasta. Here is the pasta, teriyaki stir fry udon. Yes, we are going to be eating classy Japanese, honey. Japanese. So I am going to follow directions, but I'm going to cook my shrimp first, okay? All right, let's get it. Let's go. Okay, while the heat is heating up, guys, yeah, girl, y'all come over here. Let's have us some orange juice. Yay! We have not had orange juice in this house in months. We have opted not to buy any, but the boss started asking for some. So I am going to have a little bit. I normally put cranberry juice in it, but he has drained that over the holiday. So cheers to the Jersey Girl for Life YouTube channel. Cheers. Okay, I coated the bottom of the pan with some vegetable oil, and I'm going to put some of this in there for flavor. And once that starts to melt down, we'll go ahead and add our large shrimp. Okay, they're getting pink on one side, so I'm going to go ahead and flip them. I did not over-season because they're also going to be seasoned with the teriyaki sauce and all of that, okay? They're all cooking well, so I'm about to take them out. There's the noodles, the seasoning, and yeah, we'll be chowing down in a moment. People, good people. Your girl having her version of wine. It's the kind of vegetables it comes with, so you definitely want to cut up your own if you want real onions and peppers. Here's our shrimp. Y'all see the vibes over here. Y'all know it's going down like a bad plane, baby. It's gonna be super good. All right, let me get back to it. Voila, guys. Hubby said the soup is good. He didn't close it back up. Here is the Japanese teriyaki pasta, noodles with jumbo shrimp. And I'm going to cover it up and turn it off. Alright, guys. It's been real. Be better to yourself tomorrow than you were today. Y'all know it's never goodbye. I'll see y'all later. This hubby's second bowl of soup. And this, I told him after this, he go to bed. He done.